Open the hatch to gain access.
Remove the cover by prying it off.
Here's the connector. That's the first thing we want to remove. And you got to pry that red tab up and then push the tab on the bottom, wiggle and pull that to remove it, okay? Then we have a wing nut right here. Now, this wing nut does not come all the way off, so just turn it basically as far as it will go and the housing should be loose enough to pull out.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle.
You want to just get it in as far as you can, because once you come back here and start turning this, you can see it's going to kind of slide back into place like so.
Reconnect the bulb housing.
And then we're going to push in on the tab there to lock it.
Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and swinging it back in place.